What tools do I actually need to get started? Well, Sparky's got your back. Let's walk through your first real tool set. No fluff, just the gear that gets you going. Screwdrivers. Start with a good set of screwdrivers. You'll save money buying them in a set. And don't feel like you have to stick with one brand. No single company makes the best of everything. In a solid set, you'll find 5/16 flat, number 3 Phillips, 1/4 inch flat, number 2 Phillips, 3/16 flat, number 1 Phillips, short, number 2 Phillips, short, 1/4 inch flat, 1/8 inch flat, number 0 Phillips. You might also find an offset screwdriver for tight spaces and a magnetizer/demagnetizer for screw tips. And don't forget, grip matters. Pick one up. Hold it. It should feel right in your hand. Drill bit set. You'll need a drill bit set. This one's titanium coated, but high-speed steel is fine too. Look for a set that runs from 1/16 to 1/2 inch, with 3/8 inch shanks on the big bits. And always get one in a case. That way you'll know instantly when one's gone missing. While you're at it, grab a 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch magnetized nut driver and a number 2 Phillips bit for your drill. I store mine right in the drill bit case. Makes life easier. Tape measure. A 25-foot tape measure is perfect for most jobs. I prefer bright yellow, or green or orange, because I always set it down and lose it. Look for one that locks automatically with a button to release. Bonus tip, some even have conversion charts on the back, great for decimals and fractions. Utility knife. You'll need a retractable blade utility knife. Nothing fancy, just make sure it stores extra blades in the handle. Hacksaw. A 12-inch hacksaw with a strong aluminum frame, no flex, clean cuts.
Don't skimp here. The weak ones just wobble and frustrate you. Next up, sockets. Start with an SAE fractional set. Shallow 12-point sockets. A 12-point socket gives you more angles to work with. A 6-point grips stronger and is less likely to round off bolts. You'll also need a couple of spark plug sockets and a swivel adapter for awkward spots. And don't skip metric. You'll use it more than you think. Get a set from 10 millimeters to 22 millimeters. All this runs on a 3/8 inch drive ratchet. Grab a couple of extensions and you're golden. If you've got a few extra bucks, pick up deep well sockets too. Great for long bolts and threaded rods. I use socket organizer trees to track everything. Makes it easy to see what's missing and what I want to add next. Wrench sets, SAE and metric. You'll absolutely need combination wrenches. Open on one end, box on the other. SAE from 5/16 to 1 1/8. Metric from 9 millimeters to 22 millimeters. You'll use both. Pliers. Slip joint pliers. Start with slip joint pliers. 2 positions, padded handles, and serrated jaws. Needle nose pliers. Then grab needle nose pliers. You'll use them constantly. They're great for tight spots, have built-in wire cutters, and even some gripping surfaces inside. Tongue and groove pliers, aka channel locks. Big, strong, and adjustable. These aren't real channel locks, but everybody still calls them that. Adjustable wrench. An adjustable wrench, 10 inches, is a must, also called a crescent wrench, even when it's not. This one's padded, with a hole for hanging. Good grip, big range. Locking pliers or vice grips are your last resort. If you're reaching for these, something's gone sideways. Bolts stripped, nuts rounded. This is the tool that saves the day. Allen wrenches, SAE and metric. Add a set of Allen wrenches, both SAE and metric. You'll need them for furniture, bike parts, and a dozen weird jobs. The optional tip: If you use them a lot, upgrade to T-handle versions later. Every shop needs a 20-ounce claw hammer, fiberglass handle, rubber grip, built to last. This one drives nails and pulls them out. It's the kind of hammer you'll keep forever. Last tool, and maybe the most useful, your electric drill driver. This one right here is mine. Makita XFD10Z 18 volt, 1/2 inch chuck, variable speed, and strong enough for most jobs. Cordless saves time, and the LXT batteries swap across other Makita tools. Feels good in the hand, easy to control. Budget option. If you're on a tighter budget, a corded drill still gets the job done, but cordless is hard to beat. Get a drill that fits your grip, and you'll wonder how you ever built without it. That's your first real toolkit. Might want to accidentally leave this list where your friends and family can find it, for birthdays and holidays. You don't need everything at once. Start with the basics. Build as you go. In our next video, we'll talk about how to store and organize all these tools so they're ready to work when you are. I'm Sparky. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Sparky out.